My name is Richard Njwili, a staff at Machakos University and patron of Machakos Legends. Machakos Legends is a vibe, a successful club whose name suggests that we are legends. It was founded by our former students, Machakos University former students, who are Angolans and felt that there is need for us to partner in future and do events together by a way of collaboration.
Hello, my name is Yvonne Tisa and I'm a member of Legends team.
Kimberly, alumni of this great Machakos University, also in Legends, in the team here.
Kevin Draw, handball player, Machakos Legends.
My name is Victor Edwards, the chairman and team care of Machakos Legends.
I'm a team player at Machakos Legends.
We are going to have our third edition held at Machakos University, Machakos Teachers College, and Machakos Academy and Scott, because of the intensity of the games that we are going to have and the pitches. So we are calling upon all spectators or fans from wherever they are, far and wide, to come and partner with us, entertain themselves, enjoy themselves during this particular time. Na sisi wote tunawakaribisha pale Mega tarehe 6 na 7 mwezi wa Julai mwaka huu 2024. Karibuni wote.
Karibuni.